museum. Dear friends, the grand welcome procession, which encompasses the typical traditional expressions of Kerala, is now on the guard. The traditional art forms Theyyam, Kavadiyattam, Puligali, Tiruvadaragali, and the
Welcome to all those who are present, especially those eminent personalities on the stage, and to all my friends who are gathered here. We have been organizing certain activities, especially as a result of that, some people with a similar mind, some parents suggested why can't we go for a systematic approach for all these activities? So, Thalam Family Club is a result of such a dynamic, such an organized thinking by a group of similar-minded people from the Indian community, with its primary aim to enrich Indian culture and to join hands with the local authorities to do some community activities and thus maintain a good relationship between the different communities in UK. Now, let me go to my responsibility without wasting time. First of all, my duty is to welcome all those eminent personalities and all those who are present here. First of all, let me welcome Mr. Martin William Cherry, our Southend-on-Sea Borough Councillor, Westborough Ward. So, next, I would like to welcome Mr. Barry Miller. He is the Funding Development Officer of the Southend Association, us right from the beginning itself. A great support for us, still now. Sir, grand welcome for you as well. Next,
Mr. Martin Terry, Mr. Barry Miller, Mrs. Rosma Abraham. My dear brothers, sisters, and dear loving children. First of all, I take this opportunity to reveal my sincere gratitude to our chief guest and all our well-wishers for their sincere support to Town Club.